Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Legit Finance. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you three dimensions of trading. What are the three dimensions of trading? Means what are the three things that helps you just mapping the length, breadth, and height of trading. Means what are the three things that are essential in trading, that are essential in executing a trade, means that are essential in making a good profitable trade. Okay, so let's directly start this video by just comprising three things. Okay, so number first is daily bias. We have the daily bias. Means it means you should be having your daily view. If you are a day trader, if you are a week trader or monthly trader, you should have a month view. Let's say you are trading in 15-minute time frame, so you should know that on this day, like on Monday, I have to plan for buying. Why? Because market is near a support in daily time frame, so it can make a green candle on that day, so I have to plan for buying. What it will help on, I have explained it many times to all of you. What it will help you with is, it will help you in just being on one side. Because what happens that, let's say you are on both side, you have a breakout plan. So let's say you have a both side plan, means the either side market will break, you will buy on that side. Let's say it broke up, you will buy here, your stop loss will be here. It will broke down, okay, your stop loss you will sell here because it broke down, and your stop loss will be here, and it will go up, your two stop losses are hit. And if you are planning for only and only for buying, you will be having here a SL. Okay, definitely one SL. Okay, but you would not be having this SL on your side. So that's the thing that I wanted to tell you, that by absorbing a daily bias, by making a daily bias, you reduce your stop losses. Means you reduce your stop losses. Okay, because we have to focus on reducing the risk, maximizing the profits. So how we can reduce the risk? We have to not compromise with the risk, but we have to just reduce it by maximizing the profit. Okay, so this is daily bias. Let's say, for example, I will explain you this. If you go to on daily time frame, let's say today my view in Euro GPY, means in Euro GPY is bearish. Let's say my view is bearish, let's say, because there is a resistance above. Let me show you. Okay, this, let's say this is a resistance above, so I know it can go down from here. So I will go to 15-minute and plan for bearishness. Look at this. Let's say I am you are a breakout trader. Let's say breakout or breakdown trader, any setup you can use. Let's say you are a breakout or breakdown trader. Look at this. Yeah, first it broke up. Look at this, just look at this. Okay, just finally fine, look at this. Range was, this was the range. Okay, this was the range. Okay, let's say you didn't have a daily bias, you was buying here and then you were selling here, your stop losses of both sides would be hit. But if you are only planning for selling, you will be selling here. Okay, your stop loss will be hit, definitely it will be hit. But let's say you got another range that this is a fake out, you plan to sell it here on this bearish angle thing. Okay, putting the stop above, so you are in the trade. So thereby you saved your one stop loss, means you saved your one risk. That is essential in saving your risk, reducing your risk, maximizing your profits is the main thing in trading. Number second dimension that we'll move on is, number second dimension is, okay, we have the second dimension as that helps in making a trade is your view. Means your daily bias, it is similar to that, but it is just slightly different. Slash your setup, means your strategy. Means your strategy, it is also essential. Because let's say you have a bullish view, so on that bullish view, what kind of bullish view it is, what kind of bullish bias it is, let's say is aggressive bullish view. Aggressive means you need a setup or strategy that comprises with, that communicates and coordinates with the aggressive buying move in the market. Okay, let's say you have an aggressive selling move, so you need a setup strategy for that move on aggressive selling, so you can capture the move. Let's say you have a aggressive selling view on this day. let's say this day you have an aggressive selling mode, so you know that selling has to come. So number first, but you saw here that let's say you have a strategy of breakdown and breakouts. Showed a breakout here, but you saw forming a double top. So on that double top, you were literally planning to short. So on this bearish engulfing, you plan to short that the daily bias, and this can be a fake down. So you can just keep the stop here or slightly above that, or go for it. So you need a strategy set up for every view you had. It could be aggressive buy, aggressive bullish, neutral bullish, low bullish, and sideways. And it can be aggressive selling, aggressive selling, low selling. It can be like this. So you need strategy for every move. Let's say I am very bullish, so there is a strategy that I have explained you in the previous videos. That is a strategy of market should make a doji, means it should halt. Let's say it is a aggressive bullish, so I see a big candle here, okay, and then it stopped. The time it crossed this high, I am buying this because I know the market is extreme bullish, so it will not wait for some time, okay. It will just move away from all the levels. So you can see how it works. So the number second was this dimension. Number third dimension that I will be explaining is your risk management. That is very essential, and I have explained you in my previous video. If you will search on risk management of traders, means risk management legit finance, you will get it in my video. So this is third dimension, but this is very important. I have explained you in other videos, so you can go and check out that video. Number third thing that I wanted to tell you, that is essential in making a trade, is sentiment analysis. You should understand with your bias. You should understand the sentiment, means the feelings of buyers and sellers. What buyers are feeling, what sellers are feeling. So how you can know that? Just there is a simple trick to know that. The simple trick is, if the selling candles are weak, it means a reversal, a buying move has to come. If the buying candles are weak, a selling move has to come. Means, let's say this is a support, and going to that support, market is making small red candles, small red candles. Market will There are more chances that market will move away from this level. Why? Because the market here, sellings are showing the sellers are showing themselves as weak, but buyers are very strong. So let's say, okay, if you want to know about this more sentiment analysis, you can search legit finance sentiment analysis. You will get that. Okay, let's say there was a support. Let me identify and support, then I will tell you. Okay, because I need a very practical example to explain you, because this is a vast topic. Okay, and I have explained it in my previous videos, that you should go and watch them. Okay, let's say we have a selling resistance. This was a selling resistance. Look at this. At this selling resistance, buying was extremely strong. You can see this buying candle. So why would we plan for selling? Because the buying, why would we plan for selling? We will not plan for selling at that time, because we know that the buyers are bullish. And look at this. Here also the buyers were very strong. When the buyers getting started weak, look at this. When the buyers getting started weak, the buyers getting started weak near this area. Okay, the buyers started getting weak near this area. Okay, then there a fall come, but this fall was also weak because the selling candle was small. Okay, there were some big candles, but this, as compared to this move is very small. So this is how you analyze the sentiment. Number first was your daily bias, that I told you, that helps you in maintaining a view. Number second is the view strategy for a particular view, that will help you in making a strategy for a particular momentum. You will be ready for everything market does. You will be already having a plan. The plan is the most essential in trading, because we have a trading plan, we have a risk management plan, drawdown plan, profitable plan, and all the things. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood this video. Please leave a like, share, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.